Now in this video, I'm going to show you and teach you how to use the Fibonacci in just under 2 minutes. Yes, you heard it right guys, under 2 minutes. So first thing first, what you want to do is you want to take note of your market direction. Since in this example, in a bullish market, we drag our Fibonacci from the low to the newly made high, which our retracement is gonna emulate from. Most retracements happen around the 0.50, 0.618% and the 0.71%, which is where I just highlighted my golden zone, and I'm expecting price to come in that area and then react in it. As you can see, I'm expecting price to come, react in it, break the previous high, and then continue with the bullish trend. Now, here's where most people get it wrong. When you enter a trade using a Fibonacci, this is the correct way that you put your stop loss and your take profit. If we're in a bullish market, your stop loss is just below your previous low always, and your take profit, you target the newly made highs and the previous highs from the previous trend. Now that we are done with the bullish example, let's move on to the bearish one. Likewise, we need to take note of our market direction. We need to be sure if either we're still in a bearish market or in a bullish market. Now we see that we are in a bearish market, right? This is where we're expecting our retracement to happen. So we take our fib from the top going to the bottom. Likewise, we mark our reaction zones. And what do we expect? We expect price to come on the 0.5, 0.6 or the 0.7% and then fall. How do you place your stop loss and take profit after entering in a bearish market? Your stop loss is always just above your previous high, and your take profit, you target your newly made lows or your lows from your previous trend. So on the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to customize your Fibonacci to be perfect. So make sure you always subscribe to the channel.